A career in operations management involves reviewing an organization's procedures, policies, and processes to continuously identify areas of improvement. Roles do vary depending on the industry. For instance, in manufacturing, responsibilities primarily rely on enhancing production efficiency and equipment maintenance. Alternatively, in retail, the emphasis shifts towards efficient inventory management and delivering excellent customer service. If you are intrigued by how organizations function and enjoy working with people, there are many opportunities for you within operations. So what could your options look like within operations management? Well, you can be in day-to-day operations management, purchasing management, materials management, whether that be inventory, logistics, or warehouse, and even operations research. When it comes to top skills, employers within the operations management field are looking for attention to detail, critical thinking, communication, problem solving, and a good set of technical skills. Those who wish to continue with operations management upon graduation tend to enter the workforce in the following top 5 roles: operations analyst, project coordinator, supply chain coordinator, production manager, and quality assurance manager. In recent years, some of the new emerging careers within operations management have included ESGs, supply chain optimization, process automation, of course with AI, and data analytics. By completing required courses within the operations management area of focus, you can also look to pursue professional studies upon graduation, which may include Certified Supply Chain Professional, Certified Manager of Quality or Organizational Excellence, Professional Certification in Supply Chain and Logistics, and Project Management Professional. DeGroote has strong industry connections, collaborating with various organizations and partners. Through on-campus recruitment, networking events, alumni coffee chats, and experiential learning opportunities, you can actively engage and build your professional network. Now remember, your career possibilities are not exclusive to the examples provided in this video. A component of career learning and development is understanding what opportunities are best for you and your goals. If you're interested in learning more, please book an appointment with a member of the Career and Professional Development team here at DeGroote.